Joe, what does this PMI stuff do to market sentiment this morning?
Well, I think it's pretty negative. I mean, the main one really is China. That's just the real sort of global bellwether, and looks like it's slowing down quite quickly. And then that's spread to the Eurozone. The Eurozone really is woeful at the moment, and although Germany is slowing down, I think the real biggest concern is France, which is slipping into appears to be slipping into a recession quite quickly. And this is on top of policymakers out of the ECB on Saturday saying they probably aren't going to do any monetary easing. So it's a really difficult situation. I can't see the Eurozone resolving itself till well into 2016.
And weren't we just a few weeks ago feeling a little bit more optimistic in Europe?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, I think the central bankers did seem to be getting a grip on it, and miraculously for Mr. Draghi was slightly ahead of the curve, and I think now it's caught him up and overtaken him. So they really are scratching their heads, and without a full-blown QE program, which I don't think there's political appetite to do, I don't really see what options they have left to do apart from just to leave the Eurozone languishing as it was for the rest for last year.
Is OPEC's lack of action still having an impact?
Yeah, I think it's quite surprising that they didn't do any further action. I think all central bankers, especially the Eurozone, wanted something there because it's just going to add to deflationary pressures. I think they probably will do some in the future, or you're going to get some form of breakaway and people just ramping up production. So it's surprising, and it is causing a negative overtone, and that's why we've seen commodities being so badly hit today.
Where do you want it, just to finish up with, where do you want to be invested right now?
I think you probably want to be long stocks still. I think they do offer value, and there does seem to be some form of corporate M&A coming up as people have money, but the search for yield is a tough one at the moment, and probably stocks, very conservative stocks, or really boringly cash.